In this video, we will talk about the protein in your food. The nice thing about protein is we have an entire group devoted to this nutrient in my plate. In this protein group, we have the majority of foods that contain a good amount of protein in them, such as meat, fish, eggs, tofu, and dried beans. The dairy group also has a significant amount of protein, especially in milk, yogurt, and cheese. The grain and vegetables have smaller amounts of protein in them, and fruits have nearly none. Here we see a nice chart of those good protein sources that come from dairy and protein foods. I like this table because it shows the serving sizes. While milk does have a good amount of protein, it is 8 grams in 1 cup. On the other hand, meat and fish have 7 grams per ounce. So if you ate a 6-ounce fillet of salmon, it would be 42 grams of protein. What about a 1/4 pound cheeseburger? We have the beef, cheese, and bun. So looking at the meat, we have 4 ounces times 7 grams of protein, which is 28 grams. The 1 ounce of cheese is equal to 8 grams of protein. The bun with both sides is about 2 ounces, or what we would equate to about 2 slices of bread. Each slice provides 3 grams of protein, so that's an additional 6 grams of protein for a grand total of 42 grams of protein. Note that I did not count the vegetables because it takes 1 cup of raw veggies to give you 2 grams of protein. The lettuce, onion, and pickles are in a much smaller quantity than 1 cup and likely would not provide even a full gram of protein. But notice the big difference between eating something like 1 egg at 7 grams of protein, 1 cup of milk at 8 grams of protein, or meat, where you get substantially amount more. Depending on several factors, the average person needs less than 100 grams per day, so you can see how quickly the protein adds up, especially when you eat meat. The majority of Americans get more than enough protein from their diet. The protein we eat contains different amounts and types of amino acids. There are 20 amino acids that make up our different types of proteins, represented in the different colored circles. These amino acids join together to make a protein. Some of the amino acids are made in our body. We call these non-essential. But there are 9 amino acids that our body cannot make, so it's essential that we consume them in foods. If we did not eat them in our foods, we couldn't make all of the proteins that require those amino acids in our body. Each protein has different amino acids in them, so we could have a protein that is made up of all of the essential amino acids, like this one. We call this protein a complete protein because it has the complete amount of those essential amino acids. We find complete proteins in animal foods like meat, fish, eggs, and dairy. The only complete plant protein is found in soy, like soybeans, soy milk, edamame, and tofu. But what if you don't eat meat products? Can you get all the necessary amino acids without eating soy at every meal? What if you ate something from the grain group that has some of the essential amino acids, then you had something from the legume group that has different types of amino acids? If you put the two together, you can make a complete protein with all of the amino acids. We call this complementary proteins. What might that look like in our diet? Well, what if we'd had something like red beans and rice, or hummus with pita bread, or even peanut butter and bread? It is not required that you eat the foods together at the same time, but there are many great complementary proteins that go really well together. Thank you for staying with me through to the end. I hope you learned some new ways to enjoy your protein.